We'll guide you through how to replace a video in Descript. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because replacing media is a common task in video editing when updating clips, fixing mistakes, or improving visuals. Beginners often struggle to find the correct feature in Descript. To replace media in Descript, begin by opening your web browser. Click the Windows Start button on your computer, then select Google Chrome or any browser you use. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar, type Descript.com, and press Enter on your keyboard to visit the website. After the page loads, click the Get Started for Free button on the screen to begin. Next, select Continue with Google, choose your email, and click Continue to log in instantly. After entering the dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner, click New Project, and then select Video Project to start a new editing session. Click Upload Files. Select your video file from your computer and click Open to load it into Descript. After that, locate the timeline and click on the video clip that you want to replace. Make sure you select the correct clip so the replacement happens in the right position. Then, go to the top toolbar and find the Replace Media icon and click on it to open replacement options. You will see several choices such as replacing media from your computer, project files, other projects, stock media, and more. For this example, choose Replace from Computer to upload a new file from your device. After selecting this option, browse your files and select the video or image that you want to use as a replacement, then click Open to confirm your selection. Descript will automatically replace the old file with a new one while keeping the same position, timing, and placement on the timeline, so you do not need to adjust it manually. This helps maintain the structure of your project and saves editing time. Once you are satisfied with the changes and all editing is complete, move to the top right corner and click Export. Then select Destination and choose Local Export as your output option. Scroll down through the export settings if needed, then click Export to begin the process. Finally, click Save to download your updated video file to your computer for use or sharing.